Hi, I'm Alexander Paneer, founder of L.I.F.T, Leaders in Focus Transformation. This channel is my mission to coach leaders like you to grow in clarity, courage, and purpose. Because when we transform from within, we lead the world around us better. I hope you agree with me, right? My message to engineers and middle managers, listen up, please. I have coached many people like you, and here is a hard truth. 80% of engineers struggle not because of technical skills at all, but because of their leadership blind spots. So here is what I have observed. They are great with missions, uncomfortable with meetings, precise with calculation, they're good in maths, but vague with communications, driven by deadlines, but confused about the direction. So the issue isn't brains, it's identity and people skills. Most engineers were trained to execute, not to influence. Here is what I coach them on. Number one, confidence over perfection. Stop over analyzing. Number two, clarity in communication. Say it in simple, powerful words. Number three, leadership mindset. You are not just solving the problem, you are building solutions with people. And if you want to dive deeper into leadership, clarity, confidence, and communication, join my bootcamp happening on July 25th and 26th. So, details in the descriptions. If you are an engineer who wants to lead, grow, and rise, it starts from within. It's time to level up. Let's live together. Thank you so much.